The winter session of Parliament is set to begin on Monday. The session will end on December 23rd and will have 22 sittings. There are 67 bills pending before Parliament. A total of 59 bills are pending in Rajya Sabha, while 8 bills are pending in Lok Sabha. Following an all-party meeting on Saturday, Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan said that all political parties have assured her of their cooperation in the smooth functioning of Parliament in the winter session. The government has already stated that the opposition will get a chance to take part in debate on various issues in Parliament.
कई सारे मुद्दे हर एक के मन में, हर पार्टी के मन में थे. हमने सब नोट डाउन किए हैं और ये भी कोशिश करेंगे, कहा है कि बात सही है कि प्रजातंत्र में सबको अपने अपने मुद्दे उठाने का अधिकार है. हमने कहा है नियम के अनुसार सब अपने अपनी नोटिसेस भी दें और कोशिश करेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उन मुद्दे या जो बात वो कहना चाहते हैं अलग अलग विभिन्न पार्टियां सबको सहयोग में लेकर के, विश्वास में लेकर के कई सारे मुद्दों पर आगे चर्चा करने का भी हमने कहा है.
Government has already declared that it would go ahead with reform legislations like insurance bill. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has already stated that the government would bring in the goods and services tax bill in the upcoming winter session of Parliament. The Insurance Laws Amendment Bill aims at raising the ceiling on FDI in insurance to 49% from the current 26% limit. Meanwhile, unfazed by opposition's hard positions on passage of reform legislations like Insurance Bill, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said the government is determined to go ahead with the measures in the winter session of Parliament beginning on Monday. The minister said that merely because someone has an agenda only to obstruct is not going to deter government's determination. On black money issue, Jaitley said the government was keen to punish all illicit account holders. The opposition may target the government on various issues including black money in the coming winter session of Parliament. It will be interesting to know if the government and opposition parties can reach an understanding on various reform legislations like Insurance Bill and if government succeeds in going ahead with the reform measures. With Bureau Inputs, Shailendra Mishra's report, DD News.